Hello, gorgeous, beautiful, active people. So right now I am out looking like full-blown mierda. If you don't know what that is, look it up. Anyway, I got up early this morning because I have so many errands to run, and yo, I've just been all over the place. And on top of that, I have to go, sorry about that. I have to go to a few stores. The first one being Sephora, Ulta. I just left UPS. I had to drop off some things. I have to stop at USPS. What else do I need to do? I need to go make sure I go to the gym and get a few hours in, since I'm going out tonight. So yeah, hopefully if my camera doesn't die, I'll be able to show you all that. Anyway, I will be going out tonight for a good minute. And then tomorrow we are having our final game night at my place. So I'm excited for that as well. Yo, it is like super beautiful in Chicago. Hopefully my lace isn't looking tacky. It is beautiful today. So yeah, I think I'm gonna dress a little cute, you feel me? Super cute for this beautiful day. Yo, I'm like so trash. I can't believe I'm on here right now looking like trash. I have my gym clothes on right now. It's that nasty CNS. I'm about to go to the gym later. I'm trying to be the most efficient person I can possibly be at this moment. Alright, I don't know if this thing is like recording or not, but my place is like a hot junky mess because I'm about to get ready and move or whatnot. But I'm about to get ready and head out. I did my errands for the day. Do I have my keys? I don't know if I have my keys or not. I've been misplacing. Oh, they're on the couch. Okay, I need to grab those. But I'm about to get ready and go out. Oh my gosh, this lighting is absolutely terrible. Crap, I don't know if that's any better or not. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know if that's any better. Anyway, I am on my way out to go in and meet up with some friends for happy hour, even though I don't drink. I would take the elevator, but I don't want to be too lazy or anything. So I'm just going to walk down a few flights of stairs in my heels. You know, one time I actually slid down this flight of stairs, like right there. It was the worst scene ever, and you would have thought that I would have got hurt. No, my heels did, which sucks. So that was the first and last time that I got to wear those. Whoa, what the living fuck, dude? Yo, tell me why this person is driving down a one-way, bro. Like, how fucking terrible. Anyway, ooh, this light is like bright as fuck. I am disoriented at the moment. Okay, where's my shades at? On my head. Okay, girl, get it together. Like I was saying, I'm finally on my way to this place. I'm running late because I got caught up at the gym. Dude, go. Like, don't you hate when cars are like scared of freaking traffic? Anyway, yeah, that girl's on her way. Don't you hate when people don't give you the hand signal when you let them in? That shit irks me. Like, dude, be thankful, because I just slowed down traffic behind me in an effort to help you, and at any moment they could have honked at me and made me feel uncomfortable. I've been told that I tend to get a little over too dressed for certain things. So I thought, what if, you know, I just go ahead and put on some jeans, heels, and like this crop sweater. Maybe that'll be cool. But tell me why one of my friends that saw me, she's like, Lola, oh my gosh, you do the most when it comes to getting together and or attending happy hour. And I'm like, you know what, at this point, you can't please everybody. I'm not gonna be uncomfortable out, you know, because I feel like there's always cameras, and I refuse to let people see or catch me at my worst, especially considering I'm at my worst most of the freaking time. This car literally, I'm not even lying, stopped at a yellow light. Like, what the heck? I understand that yellow light means to slow down or get ready to prepare to stop, but we were literally just... So I'm pretty pissed that y'all didn't tell me I didn't have on any lip gloss. I looked at myself in the mirror like, well, damn, Lola, like, you just gonna let yourself go out like that? So I put some lip gloss on. So I'm surprised I didn't notice, because my freaking lips tend to be extremely dry. So yeah, like, it's so much traffic out here in the city today because of the fact that it's like the weather is super nice. And I know I have on this sweater or whatever, but the weather is so nice. And it's a crop sweater, by the way. And where I'm gonna go, they tend to care for the temperature when it comes to their patrons. So if it's hot in there, I'm pretty sure they're gonna cool it down. Yeah, like, don't you hate when people rush you, especially when most of the time they're freaking late? Like, don't rush me. The only reason I'm running behind is because I needed to turn back around to grab some things for you. I don't know, clearly I'm speaking about a friend right now. Like, don't do that, boo-boo, because I could bring up all the times that your ass is hella late. And like I said, I turned around to grab some things for her, not for myself. This is my jam. And there's somehow you know that your love would be what you like. So y'all can't really even see how much traffic it is right now, but it's absolutely terrible. I'm on, what is this, 94 going south in Chicago. Like, if you're not from Chicago and you plan on moving to Chicago, I'm gonna just tell you right now that if you live on the north side and you need to travel to the south side of Chicago, the traffic literally is the worst coming from the north side to the south side. I love living on the north side, but this traffic is absolutely terrible. All right, so luckily this lane is actually going fast compared to all of the other lanes. All right, never mind. But yeah, I don't know if y'all can see the skyline. Let me zoom y'all in. Zoom you all in a little bit. Actually, when I zoom you in, this is actually what it looks like from my perspective. So yeah. I stay approximately, without traffic, I stay 18 minutes away from downtown, like the heart of the city. But I'm about to get ready to move to the West Loop, which is a lot closer to the city. It's probably maybe 8 minutes away. And there's no traffic. Yeah, I love with a passion living in Chicago. There's so much to do. There's a nice array of people, like variety of people to meet. There's so many amazing parties, especially when the weather, warms up. Summertime Shy is unlike any other place that I've ever lived. It's not super, like, the people that I hang out with or the places that I frequent is not superficial like a lot of other places that I've either traveled to or lived. So if you're considering living in Chicago, I definitely advise it. Just make sure you do your research on the neighborhoods that you live in. The one that I currently reside in, I absolutely love it. I'm able to have my midnight runs from my home to the lake, which is probably 2, maybe 3 miles away from where I live. I think it's 2 miles away from where I live. And then I'm able to run back at midnight without a problem. Granted, I did used to box. So if anybody try and mess with me, your girl got those hands. I will literally F them up real quick. Not scared to mess up a body if you catch me. But yeah, so I definitely do your research on the neighborhoods that you live in. Neighborhoods here are, in my opinion, the size of small cities. They're pretty massive. But you do find a niche of people in certain neighborhoods that you definitely click with. So just be aware of that. And if you're a person that I guess likes diversity, I would suggest neighborhoods like the West Loop, South Loop, Hyde Park, like certain areas that are close to the city. If you're looking for more niche communities, there are hot pockets out here of those, like closer to the city, but for the most part you have to find those in neighborhoods that aren't directly downtown, if that makes sense. If you're, if you have the money, I suggest living downtown, only because everything is right there. You have access to so much living in downtown, but you get the same thing in the Loop. So I don't know, but that's just my thoughts. My favorite places to go to as far as happy hour, it's this place called Series Cafe. And my number one place is Persona Lounge, which you will have to Google the location, but I believe Persona is in the West Loop, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, as far as restaurants go, I would suggest some places, but my favorite restaurant closed down, so I'm not suggesting anything. Clearly, I'm salty as hell. But what else? What else could I give suggestions about? I don't know, child. Oh my gosh, traffic has slowed. Oh, and the closer you get to the Loop, the more traffic it is. Like downtown Loop, the more traffic it is. So be advised about that, people. Alright, so I finally made it to the location.
Yeah, went out. It's
actually calmed right